Good day everyone, I am Angel and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am currently pursuing the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, majoring in Network Administration. I am here to share how I see myself as an IT professional. My passion for technology has always been strong. And as I progress as an IT student, my interest and enthusiasm continue to grow. In the future, I aspire to work in the IT field to further explore and develop my skills. Recognizing that there is always room for improvement, I am eager to embrace this year as an opportunity to learn and experience new things. I want to become an IT professional with expertise in data management, versatility across various tech-related tasks, and lastly, has a strong communication and security awareness skills. With that, I am committed to pushing myself further and refining my skills to become a better IT student. That's all. Thank you for watching.